How are you doing? You all right? Hello, you lovely people! Who wants to try the first dish?
I'm Minnie Mouse.
You know what? I never guessed that. You're going to have a whole set of my professional series pans, the bestseller, which is the shark's tooth. Who wants to eat some of my pizza? Who do you really dislike in life?
Gordon Ramsay.
Oh! Is your mum a good cook? I bet you regret sending them up now, don't you, darling, eh? My Tefal pan here, nice thick bottom pan. You want that even heat around, and they're one of our sponsors for tonight, so I'd like to thank them for making this whole thing happen. Cheers, guys. Yeah, well, it's my show, so I call it what I bloody like. If you girls are ever a bit short of perfume and you're going out on a hot date and you might think you might get a bit busy, just get the marjoram, have a good old rub up all over. It's lovely. It's more than enough to spinach it. Spinach it. Come forward, take a bow, sir. Take a bow. I want to thank all the team, all the sponsors, Tefal. Wants to come and cook with me. I love you. Thank you very much.